months, also known as the Next Gen Librarian, back with another Tech Appetizer. And today, this one, I'm mostly focusing on my library media specialists. We're going to be talking about MackinVIA. So Mackin is a vendor, and you can get your books from them. You can do digital resources from them. They now have an LMS checkout system that I'm very curious to learn more about. There's ways that you can integrate books into the classroom. I love using Mackin for Comics Plus, which allows me to have like a huge number of graphic novels, manga, and comic books at my disposal that is specific for middle school, or you could do the elementary package or the high school package. All of that's great. They are unlimited, so everyone in the school can read them at the same time. And so I have a year subscription to that every year through MackinVIA. But today I specifically want to talk about their certification course. So if you want to get certified in MackinVIA and learn all things about their website, how you can co-teach with teachers and use Mackin, how you can put different resources together on the Mackin website, then feel free to go to this website, which I will link in the comments of the YouTube video, and you can see how to get certified in 4 hours. The reason I am certified is because I like to be able to tell teachers that I can help with research, which Mackin is great at. You can create your own list of resources for them to have access to, as well as some book titles with the links so that they could use those for the research as well. And I like to let them know that I've gone through this training and that I'm pretty good with Mackin. I might even, I think, use them for some book order this year. So if you haven't had a chance to dive into MackinVIA, this is a great opportunity to do so. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.